Hi guys! For today's video, pupuntahan natin ang Taitam Reservoir. Siyempre, sa Taitam. At itong napakagandang Taitam Wand Waterfall. At syempre, pupunta muna tayo dito sa Saiwan Ho. Sa Yellow Line. Yellow Line talaga. Yellow kasi dito eh. Nag-exit lang tayo dito sa Exit A. Paglabas natin, nandito na yung terminal. Bus station pala. So, we get off at Taitam Reservoir North and we will walk back a little to the starting point. And today I'm with Emmy again. Oh my god, it's very hot. It's a hotter Sunday. So mga 5 minutes to starting point mula dun sa may binabaan namin. So we are here na sa starting point. Papunta kami ng Taitam Mont. So we are here. Oh! Wow! We walk in this side.
Is just around here, maybe.
Oh.
Here.
Then we will go back or we'll follow this?
And then we did the other side there. It's not far, don't worry.
Okay. So let's go. Oh, dito pala. Andaan, nakala ko daan. Lumilid kami doon sa may ano. No sunshine. It's already.
Yeah, always under the tree is nice, right?
Yeah. Wow, so sexy. The girl is so sexy. Oh, so just a start.
Yeah.
So follow lang natin to, guys. I just enjoy. So it's so nice here. Oh my god, but it's so malamok ha. So kitang kita na siya dito. So nice. Woo.
All is so green.
Yes. See. And with the sound of water.
Water flow.
Yeah. Yes. It's very nice. But you know, the mosquito is attacking my back. They said it's very big and fat.
Really? Depend on the video. I found something weird. I thought it's snake.
It's nice here. Here, do not contaminate water. Do not swim.
This is to entrain the waterfall.
Where go? Here?
Yeah.
Oh, before this,
Yeah.
bridge, wooden bridge.
We exit
If
and
we
go
see-
this side.
This one will go this way. Go here. If we see this sign, we're going to the mont. Hear me? We're going to the mont. Hi! Medyo mahirap yung daan, guys. Yan yung dinaanan namin sa taas. Yeah. Ang hirap. So may tao din. Wow! Finally, we are here. Look at my sweaty face. Grabe. Grabe oh. Grabe yung pawis ko.
they are. Ang ganda. Pero meron siyang ito. Cannot get inside. So yun, bawal maligo talaga dito at may nakabantay sa amin. See that? Sila yung nakabantay sa amin.
We didn't get a chance to dip because there's somebody there who is watching us. So nobody can
When I climb up here, all my
dip in the water. Yeah. Oh, so we go to the dam. So, umakyat lang kami ulit kung saan kami doon bumaba kanina, malapit sa Wooden Bridge. So, ngayon, nandito na kami, papunta na ng Taitam Reservoir. So, ayan na siya. Ano, nakikita na natin yung dam. Pupunta tayo dyan, guys. Eme. Wait. Look, si Manong nag-fishing. Yeah?
Wanna go there or not?
Let's go. We are already here.
Go there?
Yeah. Perfect. Now it's clean. Oh, wow. Oh, this is the other side. Ang ganda. Perfect time yung punta namin. Look at that. Ang ganda. So ayun, umakyat na ulit kami dito galing doon sa may dam. Ang bilis lang namin doon. Nag-picture lang. And where are we going? Go home na.
Taitam. Then going down to. You want to going down to the one is
To the main dam?
Yes. You want to
Oh,
go there? or not?
sure. We're going to the main
So
dam.
we take the bus from where we get out.
Okay. And one stop like that? So, ayun, nandito na kami sa may papunta ng Taitam Road. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog, guys, kasi ang dami kong vlog ng Taitam Reservoir. So, ganun din naman yon. So, ito, dumaan na rin kami dyan ilang beses na at marami na akong vlog. So, ngayon diretso na tayo doon sa may Taitam Road para makapunta doon sa kabilang side ng tulay na yan. So, let's go ulit. So, pag dito na, so nandito na tayo sa main road. So, pwedeng umuwi, sasakay dyan ng bus number 14 to sa Kiwan ulit. Or pwede naman dito sa kabila, papuntang Stanley. Pero kami guys, nag-cross lang kami sa road dahil pupunta pa kami dun sa may main dam. So, ito ang daan. Doon naman sa kabila, papuntang Stanley. So, fa-follow lang natin, no? Yung daan doon sa kabila. At bababa tayo doon sa mga school area. So, ayan, dahil kasama ko si Emmy talagang may alam dito. So, luckily, yung mga hike ko for these few months, lagi ako may kasama si Emmy or si Ate Flor. So, sila yung aking guide. Yun nga lang, pag si Ebe kasama ko, ang hirap mag-English. Nauubusan ako ng English dito, guys. Grabe. Kaya kung ano-ano na lang din pinagsasabi ko. Pero at least, diba, mayroon akong kasama kaysa mag-solo hike ako. Kasi sila sis Des, may mga ginagawa sila ngayon pag Sunday. So, hindi sila nakakapag-hike. So, madalas, pag wala akong kasama mag-hike, o di hihintayin ko sila maghapon or tutunga nga sa park or magsiswimming, yun na lang yung ginagawa.
The second one is Honda.
Oh. We go there?
Yes. The eldest one is
So, from here, we will go here. Oh, this is a school. This one is school.
so that is very
I'm not sure.
because like just not go to the left there is close, right?
I think so.
Not close, right? But
Oh, you can see it from here. Like there's a pier.
so that two lady is go the wrong way. Was so
Oh.
far away.
I see.
Oh,
Oh my God! So we are here. Okay. Wow, it's nice. Oh. So merong pier doon, oh.
so it's all the trail is only here. You can
Oh, yeah.
see here. It's just long here.
So we can see this if
Yes,
we're going
yeah.
to
So if your
Dragon's
view is
Back.
this side, but if you hike on a lot of rain, there
Yeah.
always waterfall is from the hill.
Oh,
It's
and
nice.
we can I can
This
always
one is
see
very
this.
clean. Yeah.
But oh,
Also,
I
they
know
also have the
now.
beach, so you can visit the beach there.
Is this a residential?
I forget the name.
Oh, it's nice here.
See? I tell you, they're wrong. Let's go to the other side.
Oh,
That is what's it? Mount Parker.
Mount Parker, yeah.
Grove.
Oh.
So you know what they said? Where are you Filipino? Yeah, I'm Indonesia. Where you are?
Ah, there's, you see,
Yeah,
you can go down.
but that is for the boat, not for us.
Only take a photo.
You want? You go down and take a photo for you.
Wait for me.
This way. Ito yung mga bahay na nung lumang panahon. Nung lumang panahon. Sarado na sila. Tapo! Tapo!
Knock, knock, knock.
Nobody's inside.
Oh no, this dam is dry. Dry than us, more than us.
Yeah, it's not nice.
So, nagpunta kami dito sa dam. Pero ang dam na ito ay tuyo. Mas tuyo pa sa akin. Haha, joke lang. Joke lang yung tuyo. Pero tuyo talaga eh. Look at that. Dito lang yung may tubig. Pero kanina nandun kami sa kabila. Marami na siyang tubig. So, we will be back here after the typhoon. So, ganun. Hinalangin yung may typhoon. Well, because it's dry.
The fall here is the most beautiful in Thaitam.
Yes. And you can walk here with the background of
Picture of the bus there is nice.
water. Yeah. But for now, bye. See you again. It's so boring now, so we have to go back. Yeah. So that is Emmy again with the dry dam. Dry dam. Oh, because the dam is dry. Try with a little road, wet road. We have to go home. Yeah. Take what?
I keep my umbrella. I don't need anymore.
Okay. So, babalik kami doon sa binabaan namin kanina. Doon kami kukuha ng bus pabalik na ng Saiwan Hall. Is there any bus going back on the 14? So, we are here. Now, we are back. Oh, the bus is coming. We have to go to the other side. Diyan kami bumaba kanina. Yeah. Oh, beach tour. So, dyan yung bus stop.
Oh, we are wrong. There, yes,
Yeah.
already stopped.
Yeah. So we are back here kay sasakayan at dun sa kabila kami bumaba kanina. Diyan lang, dyan. Ngayon, dito naman kami sasakay and the bus is coming. And yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! See you in my next vlog.
You can put your bag on the rock.